Hi. So when we're solving for this problem, which is 167 minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 108, you're correct that the very first thing that we have to do is distribute this negative. So what you did was you took this one and distributed it here, and this one and distributed it here, which is correct. You're going to get negative 7x minus 3. And that part was correct. The difficulty is that what you did was then you closed these parentheses and you brought this 167 down right here, right next to it. But it's not the same term. There still has to be, it's still a completely separate term, right? So this is one term and this is another term. What we did was distribute this negative to the second term. Okay, so we keep this first term as 167, and then since we distributed the negative, that negative is gone, but we have to keep a plus in order to separate the two terms. We're not multiplying them together just because we distributed a subtraction sign or a negative. So it's not 167 times negative 7x minus 3, it's plus negative 7x minus 3 is equal to 108. And so, of course, from this point, you got a couple of options. You can either open these parentheses back up and rewrite it such that it's 167 minus 7x, because a positive and a negative make a negative, minus 3, right? Because we've just distributed it, so we no longer need the sign in between. And then, oops, that's supposed to be 108, not 18. So we have 108. Then we can just combine the other two terms that are two constants. So we have 167 and negative 3, and together that would make 164. Bring down that minus 7x equals 108. Okay, and from there, we just subtract 164 from both sides, divide by negative 7, and that should give us our positive 12. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, well, let me know. Just remember that when you're distributing a negative, like we did on this part right here, you have to distribute the negative, but you still need a positive sign to keep it as two separate terms, okay? Thanks. Bye.